In this video, you'll learn how to enable passkey on OKX using their web platform. This process allows for a more secure and convenient login experience without the need for traditional passwords. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to okx.com. Once the website loads, look for your profile icon located in the top right corner of the page. Clicking on this icon will reveal a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Security or Security Center. This will take you to a dedicated section for managing your account's security settings. Here you will find various security features available for you. Next, locate the section that mentions passkey, which may also be referred to as passkey login or passwordless login. Clicking on this option will provide you the choice to enable or set up your passkey. After clicking Enable or Set Up, you will see three options for configuring your passkey. The first option allows you to use this device with biometric methods such as Face ID, fingerprint recognition, Windows Hello, or a device PIN. The second option lets you use another device by scanning a QR code with your phone. The third option involves using a hardware key like a YubiKey or FIDO2. Once you select your preferred method, you will need to confirm your choice by completing a current security. This may involve entering a code sent to your email or using an existing security method. After successfully completing this step, you may receive a biometric prompt to approve the setup. Once you do this, the process will be complete. After enabling passkey, you can log into your OKX account with a simple biometric touch instead of entering passwords. This feature is compatible with modern versions of browsers such as Chrome, Edge, and Safari. You also have the flexibility to add multiple passkeys, enabling you to use your phone, laptop, or hardware key for secure access. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.